In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record in Windows 11 using the built-in Snipping tool. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. To get started, open the Start menu and search for the Snipping tool. Open it. In the toolbar, click and make sure the video camera icon is selected for screen recording mode, then click New. Now simply click and drag to select the area of the screen that you want to record and then click on Start. After a short countdown, the video will begin recording. After you're done, if you're satisfied with the video, click the red stop button to end the recording. A preview window will then automatically appear showing the video you just recorded. You can trim it using the editing tools here. Simply drag the handles on the timeline to adjust the start and end points of your clip. And you can save your final video by clicking the Save icon. To find your saved video recording, open your File Explorer, navigate to the Videos folder, and then open the Screen Recordings folder. Here, you're going to see the video you just saved.